Hi, my name is Mark Stevenson. I've been a PGA golf professional for 33 years. Here I am today at Abu Dhabi National Golf Course, hole number 11. This is a dogleg hole from left to right. We have 3 bunkers on the right hand side and a bunker on the left hand side. But how do I know the way to this dogleg? How do I know how far it is to get my ball into play, that my second shot or my approach shot to the green will be perfect? What I'll do is I'll check my Garmin Approach S20 and I can see that to the dogleg it's 208 yards. To clear the bunkers on the right hand side we have 216 yards, and over the dogleg, which is a blind shot, I can see there's a bunker at 238 yards. So what I'm going to try and do is hit my ball over the trees on the right hand side, lay up before the bunker, and then hopefully have a small pitch to the green. So, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want more information, just click onto the links here or go to garmin.com. Take all the time you need. I'm off to the clubhouse. Caddy, get the bag.